On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2019 Heritage Glen 378FL by Forest River. With dual entry doors and 5 slide outs, there is plenty of space to spread out and enjoy your time with family. Starting in the kitchen, this model has plenty of residential features. With clean white solid surface countertops, decorative marble backsplash, and matching stainless steel appliances, you'll enjoy your time preparing meals for everyone. There's a 3-burner range, and microwave with vent above. The top-mount refrigerator has a large storage capacity. And you can relax with friends and family at the 4-person table surrounded by picture windows and beautiful views. In the evening, you'll find yourself being drawn to the fireplace in the front living area. Decorate this open room however you want, and you'll still have that feeling of open space. Moving to the back, towards the second entrance, the main bathroom has all the amenities, plus a spacious step-up shower. With built-in seat and textured glass doors. The master bedroom has a custom king bed on a slide-out to increase the floor space. At the foot of the bed is a stand-up closet with side dresser and TV mount above. On the adjacent wall is a second closet with washer and dryer hookups, if needed. Across from the exterior door are stairs leading up to the loft, where the kids can enjoy their own private sleeping space. This model is anything but ordinary, and will make the perfect home away from home. Come see this, and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.